half up bun, half down, and as you can see, my hair isn't in the best state right now. I think this is day 7 hair, I think. But my hair, oh, it's actually not that bad, you know? Okay, so it's quite curly, which I like. And for this hairstyle, I'm gonna get a comb. Okay, so I can't find a comb, sadly. I'm just going to take my finger and create the first half of my hair. So once you've got the first half, you're going to have to tie the back half of your hair to keep it out of the way. You don't need to tie it like nice or anything, you just tie it so it's out of the way and you can do the bun at the front. So the first thing I'm gonna do is get my spray bottle, which has water in it, and spray this circumference of my hair. I'm not gonna spray the ends because I need the hair to stay voluminous at the bottom so that the bun will be bigger. If all of the hair is wet, then the bun will be a bit flat and small, and I want the bun to be big so it looks nice. Yeah, that's just the way I like to do it. You don't have to follow me completely. I've lost my slicking brush, so throughout this video I'm just going to be using this brush and everything else, also a toothbrush. So this actually does quite a good job at slicking, but the slicking brush does make it just like snatched, you know. I'm taking my conditioner, Tresemme Moisture Rich conditioner. Oh, ew. That kind of splattered on my face. Take some of this and I'm going to put mainly here, but you can put this on the curls too to make them more moisturized, and just you can put the conditioner everywhere basically, but mainly here because it's going to help slick this part of your hair. After that, I'm going to take my hair gel, Eco Styler hair gel. This is in the flavor coconut oil. So I'm taking some of this in my hands. Gross. This much, maybe that's too much. I'm taking some. I'm putting this only here, only where I am slicking my hair down, because this is hair gel. It's not very nice to put into your curls. It's for slicking your hair only. So yeah, we're gonna tie this up with a hairband. If I can find a hairband. Okay, I've got two, just in case one breaks. I'm gonna double them because this is small. This is a small bun compared to a normal bun. I'm doubling it so that this is tight and tying it into a ponytail. As tight as you can, like so. And now we're gonna do my edges for the bun. I'm taking a toothbrush and dipping it in my hair gel, then starting to do my edges. So I have an edges tutorial if you want to go and see it. I'll put a card to come up I think that was a bit too much hair gel. I don't know. And then after that, you're gonna have to take the back of your hair out. My hands are fat. And then this is the hairstyle number 1, half up, half bun. Okay, so the next hairstyle that I'm going to do is high bun. So I'm going to have to take this bun out, sadly. And then we're going to grab all of my hair. Girlfriend. But the thing is, yeah, the front might be done, but the bottom isn't. So we're going to have to turn my head over and spray it with water. Break up with your girlfriend, yeah, cause I'm bored. You can hit it in the morning, yeah, like it's yours. I know it, right, but I don't care, yeah. Break up with your girlfriend. It's tight, and I've added water and brushed it as much as I can. I'm taking 3 hair bands. 3, yes. And I'm tying it this part of my head. Oh, no, is my phone gonna fall out? Fudge. Okay, I'm gonna try and hurry. Okay, so my phone fell down, but whilst it was falling, I tied my hair up into a ponytail. So I'm gonna take this hair and wrap it around itself like so. I'm gonna take a bobby pin. I'm gonna take a thin hairband and try my best not to ruin the shape. I would have redone my edges, but I can't be bothered. If you were doing this like from the start, yeah, you would be doing your edges after tying it up. But I've already done them, so I can't be bothered to do them again. This is what it looks like. The next hairstyle I'm gonna do is 2 space buns. I actually feel so sorry for my hair because I'm literally gonna be doing so much to it because of you guys. Well, not because of you guys, but for you guys, you know. Someone in the comment section asked me to do 5 hairstyles for school, and here I am doing 5 hairstyles for school, and I'm doing this in one day because when I like to get things done, I like to finish. I mean, when I start to do things, I like to finish the things that I started doing. And I know if I like wanted to do this video in a matter of days, I would just be like, you know what, never mind, I'm not going to do this video anymore because I'm bored. So I'm going to have to do this in one day. Yeah. The line at the back isn't straight, but you know what, I don't care. Because who am I going to see? No one. Oh my god. My phone is annoying me so much. Sellotape holding up my phone is annoying me so much because it's so weak. Like, get a grip. But preferably use a comb. That is actually the better way of doing things. But I can't be bothered, so yeah. Well, I can be bothered to use a comb. I just can't find my comb. So yeah. Taking a spray bottle and spraying around my hair, the parts that are going to be slicked back only. And then brushing. I'm just going to brush the edges away and then redo them because I feel like it. You could be using a slicking brush. If you have one, now is the time to use it to slick this all back. By the way, I already have conditioner from all the other hairstyles in my hair, so I'm not adding any more because that's just so bad. And I'm going to take out this hairstyle anyway. But I'm saying if you're doing this hairstyle, add conditioner and hair gel, or just hair gel on its own, or conditioner. Whatever you want to do, whatever is best for your hair type and stuff like that. But I wouldn't just say use water only because that won't hold your hairstyle as nice. And tying myself up into a little pigtail. A little ponytail. Oh, I'm gonna have to twist my hair up. Not up, but like twist my hair and then put it into a bun. And get a hairband to secure. A lot of my friends like this hairstyle on me. I feel like it makes me look 3 years old, but it's alright. You could also leave some strands at the front out before you tie your hair to frame your face, but I'm not doing that for this hairstyle. So do the same thing you did on this side to that side. So take the hair out, add water. Once you get the hang of doing hair, it's actually not that hard. For all you people that say it's so hard, it's not. It's actually not. You just need to have motivation to just do it in the first place, because that's what just would make me not want to do a hairstyle, like, because it takes time to finish doing it and to make it look nice. You also need patience. You need patience, because obviously the first time it's not going to come out perfect. You know what, it could, because hairstyles aren't that hard. And then twist, then put it round. So this is hairstyle number 3. Space buns. These aren't my best space buns, but they're nice or whatever. Hairstyle I'm gonna do is low ponytail with a zigzag parting. Wait, no, actually no. Low ponytail, just plain low ponytail. For the low ponytail, I'm gonna take this, and it's easier for me to brush down my hair because it was just in a slick hairstyle. So all I need to do is just take this and just brush my hair because it's still wet. If your hair wasn't wet, if your hair is not wet, I mean wet it. Oh, I do need to wet a bit more. So this was hairstyle number 4, low ponytail, and hairstyle number 5 is a low bun. So you do the same steps as the one before this, and you just wrap your hair in a bun. So this is the end of my video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and thank you for watching. Bye!
If you take too long to hit me back, I can promise you how I react.